Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're gonna make creamy garlic chicken. Please stick around and watch this video. First we're gonna start by flattening our chicken breast so it can cook even. Now I'm going to season the chicken breast. I'm going to add some oil to the chicken breast. Now I'm going to add a half teaspoon of Badia complete seasoning. Half teaspoon of garlic powder. Half teaspoon of chicken seasoning. You can use your favorite chicken season for this. I'm gonna use some black pepper. And I'm gonna use some paprika. If you don't got paprika, that's alright. You still can just cook it without paprika. Alright, looking beautiful, smelling amazing. Now you wanna let this marinate for at least 10 to 15 minutes, or you can go ahead and cook this straight away. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil. And I'm using canola oil. You can use whatever oil you want. And I'm gonna add a teaspoon of butter. You want the oil to be nice and hot so the chicken can have a beautiful sear. Now I'm gonna add the chicken. And you're gonna cook this for one side for 6 minutes and the other for 6 minutes, depending on how big your chicken breasts are and how thick they are. Cook beautifully on both sides. This chicken is so juicy. I'm gonna add a half teaspoon of butter, 3 tablespoons of chopped onion, 3 tablespoons of crushed garlic, you're gonna saute this until they're translucent. You don't want the garlic to burn, else they'll get bitter. Now I'm gonna add 1 cup of heavy cream. Half teaspoon of Badia complete seasoning. Half teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm gonna add some black pepper to it. If you reached this far into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you didn't already subscribe, like, and share. And please leave me a comment down below and what's your favorite thing to eat with creamy garlic chicken. This is smelling so garlicky and nice. Now I'm gonna add the chicken breast. And as you can see, the consistency of the sauce, nice and creamy. You can see that at the back of the spoon that the sauce is thick. It's not runny. This is a great consistency. Gonna add some parsley flakes for presentation. And here you have it, guys. If you reach this far into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also leave me a comment down below. This is how I make my creamy garlic chicken. Now we're gonna do a taste test. Look at this. The chicken is so juicy and yet so creamy. You can taste the garlic. You can taste all the seasoning. This is amazing, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.